Welcome to EcoOils tutorials. How to make a marketing plan for your business, part 2. Now it's time to outline your marketing strategy and your unique selling proposition. Come up with a statement that would appeal to your potential customer interests. For example, organic cultivation is always highly valued, but what matters most is something unique that is related to your products. This can be the place of origin and cultivation, or a personal story, or it can be a specific quality characteristic. Choosing multiple activities that complement each other is a good way to get your message across. For example, if you're trying to establish a new organic product in the market, you may choose to advertise on the local radio, participate in local festivals or events, or introduce a low-cost pricing strategy for first-time buyers. When used together, these strategies complement each other. Public relations are another useful tool, such as public speaking to schools or online events to share your expertise and business story. This is valued as the majority of the population is not familiar with farming or food production, and the opportunity to share your story can be beneficial for your business. Last but not least, your greatest marketing tool is your customers' loyalty. Loyalty equals growth and profitability. Happy customers that tell others about your product and services. This is called word of mouth. Note that their complaints are also essential for your improvement, as they are free insights for what needs to be changed or improved about the product. One of the main attributes for the creation of a marketing plan is to be able to develop a clear strategy for your whole team in which they can participate. For this reason, it's critical that you keep everyone in the loop. The best way to ensure everyone is aligned is to create a marketing brief, a one-page document that summarizes the market research, company goals, messaging, and action items established in your plan. It's important to evaluate your marketing activities. Analyzing your results and being aware of new marketing trends is important to keeping your marketing plan up to date and reaching your business goals. You should tweak and change your plan as your business and market grows. Examples of simple ways to evaluate your marketing plan: look at sales records, customer surveys, redemption of coupons, and other special promotions to determine what is working and not, and continually make improvements.